everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're diving into a road warrior's dream, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time traveler, this beauty is built for comfort, power, and efficiency. So, let's take a closer look. Chevy has seriously upped their game with the 2025 model. First off, the aerodynamic design reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency, a big win for long trips. The LED matrix headlights not only look stunning but also offer excellent night visibility. And check this out, solar panels on the roof, perfect for keeping your gadgets powered off-grid. Now, let's talk about comfort. This motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. The spacious open-concept layout includes a full-size kitchen with an induction cooktop, smart fridge, and a deep sink. And here's a game-changer, a voice-activated climate control system to keep things cozy. Oh, and the seating. Memory foam captain's chairs that make long drives a breeze. Now, let's hit the road. The 6.6L V8 engine delivers impressive power, making steep climbs effortless. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. And for the eco-conscious travelers, there's even a hybrid powertrain option that boosts mileage while reducing emissions. Plus, with Chevy's advanced driver assist system, you get lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The 15-inch touchscreen runs Chevy's latest infotainment system, with built-in navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Plus, there's Starlink satellite internet, so you can stay connected even in remote areas. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome the ultimate road trip machine? Absolutely. It's got the power, comfort, and tech to make any journey unforgettable. Let me know in the comments, where would you take this on your first adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy travels!